Hello guys, Fossibot just released its latest innovation, a rugged smartphone with the groundbreaking combination of cutting-edge features that set it apart from the competition. The new smartphone boasts the world's first integration of powerful 103 dB loudspeaker and the 512 lumen camping light, offering unparalleled versatility for outdoor enthusiasts. But that's not all, it's also equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery that keeps you powered up to extended adventures without the need for frequent charging, all on the latest Android 14. And to top it all off, this phone, as you can see, features a sleek and stylish metal body design that exudes sophistication and durability. There is more, but be sure to watch this Fossibot F106 Pro video review. So let's start unboxing and see what we have in this orange box. There is a smartphone, we'll put it aside for now. This is F106 Pro user manual. Here is the SIM pin. What else do we have here? USB Type-C cable and finally a 30-watt fast charger. Okay guys, that was the contents of this box. Now it's time to look at our smartphone. What can I tell you is that this smartphone is ruggedly built and perfect for outdoor adventures. As I already said, this is the global first rugged phone combining powerful speaker and a bright camping light at the same time, and that's why it's so unique. What sets the F106 Pro apart? Its distinctive body shape design featuring deep slope sides that enhance grip and usability. The first thing that catches your eye is this large LED camping light. This is something that has become popular among these premium rugged smartphone, and it can be really useful. It is a 3-watt flashlight with the 512 lumens, and there is 5 modes to use it. Just above and below this mesh there is a large powerful 103 dB waterproof loudspeaker, and above it in a horizontal position we can see these lenses of dual cameras and the LED flash, which also contains the infrared lamps for the night camera. On the right side of the device, in this dark gray metal frame, we find the volume buttons and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. On the left side we find the dual SIM card slot from the room for the 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card plus memory card of up to 512 GB. On the same side we also has these 2 buttons below it. The first one is a red metal programmable that supports a wide variety of functions. This button can trigger 3 different actions: a single click, a double click or long press. That means you have a total of 3 options, 3 functions or applications in the phone that you can launch with this one button. You also find this orange metal key below it, capable of activating the camping lamp, and with the additional squeeze you can reduce light intensity, and very convenient and useful option. On the bottom, under the rubber cover that ensures 100% water resistance, there is USB Type-C charging port. Now from the front we find the large scratch resistant 6.58-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels with 401 pixels per inch and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Up in the teardrop notch we find the excellent 60 megapixel Ultra HD selfie camera with a face unlock option, which will be excellent for your selfies and the video calls. I have to admit that I haven't really seen such impressive display on any durable smartphone for a long time. Take a look at this. The colors are incredible, vivid and precise, reminiscent of AMOLED screen found in the Samsung phones. It's truly remarkable how Fossibot managed to deliver such a beautiful display in this phone category. As I said, the quality of the display surprised me at this price point. It is bright enough for easy viewing outdoors. YouTube videos and Twitch streams look sharp. The display produces rich, vibrant colors, and crystal clear content reproduction provides exceptional quality. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass protection, so you can cover it in terms of the durability. Okay, now let's go to the back of the phone again. As you can see, there is this large LED light and a 3-watt flashlight with 512 lumens, have hundreds of LED lamps, beads and 5 modes of use. and it can be great help to you in situations where there is no light, such as the forest or in some closed dark spaces. Whether you are seek a safe camping spot for the evening or safely light for a construction site early in the morning, the F106 Pro can do the job. Its software includes multiple brightness settings and is clearly ideal for camping, with an app to control the specific brightness level required or activate various emergency SOS modes to attract attention from potential minimize away in open space. Just above you will find a robust waterproof loudspeaker deliver a astonishing 103 dB of sound. This speaker is a truly game changer, capable of enveloping you in an immersive audio experience. Just to being at a live concert, whether you are enjoying music solo or hosting an outdoor party, with every beat felt and every note crystal clear, rest assured you won't miss any calls to admit this powerful sound. Moreover, boasting 100% waterproofing, this speaker adds both durability and a peace of mind to its impressive capabilities. To truly appreciate its intensity, one simply needs to experience it the first hand. Now let's listen to him. Horizontal, you will notice these lenses over dual cameras and there's LED flash, which also incorporates infrared lamps for a night camera. With the 40 megapixel main camera, every moment is captured in a stunning clarity and detail, ensuring your memories are preserved just as vivid as you remember. Plus, equipped with a handy 20 megapixel infrared night vision camera, you can zoom in, capture detailed video and photo shows even in pitch darkness. Let's not overlook that the camera supports a maximum video recording resolution of 1080 pixels and 30 fps. To truly appreciate the camera's performance, let's delve into the few samples captured using the F106 Pro camera, so let's take a look. Another important detail is that this Fossibot F106 Pro is the first rugged phone I've tested so far that comes with the new Android 14. Congratulations on that! Android 14 doesn't have many groundbreaking features, but there are dozens of small tweaks that make a big difference. Well, let's leave it up to you to explore them. In total, we enjoy in a simple and easy to navigate interface, simple and recognizable, so all Google applications and functions are installed here, as well as supports for NFC and Google Pay. It also features a reliable GPS system with support for 4 satellites. Everything you want you get on this phone. The quality during phone conversation or by sending mobile data and connected to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should be for a phone like this. Let's kick off with the performance aspect. The F106 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. Construction by using the 12nm technology, it boasts advanced energy efficiency and average but satisfactory speed. This chipset is combined with the 2 big R76 cores which boast performance, and the ARM G57 provides great graphic performance. The frequency of this chipset is 2.05 GHz, which is good for long-term gaming. There will be no issues with using this chipset in long-term gaming seasons. This chipset can support PUBG Mobile and 60 FPS. This is because of the scores of the GPU. It effortlessly tackles even demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering solid performance and medium graphical settings. Now delving into the memory configuration, the F106 Pro set is a new standard with the 8GB base RAM, and it gets even more interesting by utilizing the extended 7GB of RAM feature. It can reach a large 15GB of RAM of total, which is great in getting greater speed and fluidity. In terms of storage, the phone offers 256GB, which should be enough for your photos, documents and applications, if you also include the possibility of upgrading with a memory card of up to 512GB, for all of you who are seeking additional storage capacity. Moreover, the phone's huge 12,000 mAh battery ensures hours of uninterrupted gaming, and when the battery runs out, count on the quick continuation of using the phone with a 33W fast charging. So if you're a gaming fan who enjoys playing the latest titles, this phone deserves seriously consideration. This huge 12,000 mAh battery will give you 7 to 10 days of normal use on just one charge, and up to 35 days of standby, making it the ideal companion for long trips or situations where access to charging is limited. Let's not forget the phone's commitment to durability with IP68 and IP69K ratings, the waterproofness and dust protection, along with mil-STD 810H military-grade toughness standard to withstand drops and shocks. The F106 Pro is built to meet the demands of extreme occupations. Whether it's on a construction site or working in an environment with extreme temperatures, this phone ensures reliable performance and communication for professionals in any industry. Designed for challenging off-road conditions, the F106 Pro holds resist certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety in every situation. In conclusion, the Fossibot F106 Pro stands out as a groundbreaking gadget phone, integrating cutting-edge features that elevate it above the competition. Its unique combination of powerful 112dB loudspeaker and a 3W 512 lumen camping light and a massive 20,000 mAh battery make it an unparalleled choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Furthermore, its sleek metal body design exudes both sophistication and durability. With its impressive camera capabilities, stunning display and efficient performance, powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, the F106 Pro delivers an exceptional user experience. Whether for gaming, multimedia consumption or professional use, this rugged phone provides to be reliable and versatile companion for any adventure or occupation. And all this at a reasonable price range, accessible to everyone. And if you're interested in purchasing this F106 Pro, and I'm sure you are, official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now, so hurry up and order yourself your new Fossibot F106 Pro rugged phone today while there is a chance, because quantities are limited. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.